In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to properly connect your PlayStation 5 to your Samsung Smart TV 4K and set up your PS5 for the first time by following a few easy steps. First of all, you need to connect your PS5 to your Samsung Smart TV using the HDMI cable. Then go ahead and connect the power cable of your PlayStation console and turn it on by pressing the power button that's at the bottom. And after it's turned on, your Samsung Smart TV will detect it automatically. Now your Samsung Smart TV will launch the Samsung Gaming Hub and your PlayStation 5 will be added here. If it doesn't, then just open the side panel and go down to connected devices. From here, you'll see the HDMI port that your PlayStation is connected to. So let's open it up and you'll see the one-time animation, and after that, you'll need to connect your PlayStation DualSense controller. Just grab any USB Type-C cable and you'll need to plug one end into your console and the other end into your PlayStation DualSense controller. And after that, press the PlayStation button and your controller will fire up. Now we can begin the setup process by selecting a language, and from here make sure to turn off the screen reader. Now you'll need to connect to your Wi-Fi. And if you want, you can disconnect your PlayStation DualSense controller and use it wirelessly. Now adjust the display area by pressing the down or up arrow on the D-pad, press OK, and then you'll have to adjust HDR. You'll have to set it so that the brightness icon is barely visible. Similarly, go through the other prompts, and now you can insert a game disc if you have any, so that it gets installed while you're setting up your PS5. And while inserting the disc, make sure that the disc cart is facing left. Now choose your power option. If you select Optimize, then your games and apps will always be updated. And if you select low power mode, it will consume less power, but your games won't be updated. So just choose it according to your preference, and then press OK. Now select I agree and confirm. And after that, if your console has any software update, you should hit continue so that you can log in with your PSN account. And it's highly recommended that you update your console, or else you'll have to use your console offline. During the update, your PlayStation 5 will restart, and you'll need to press the PS button when instructed. Now you'll need to sign in with your PlayStation account. You can use the QR code, sign in manually, or if you don't have an account, you can select create an account. We will sign in manually. After logging in, you'll also be able to turn on login passcode. Then we'll press OK, and the last prompt will be transferring data from an older console. So if you have a PS4, you can select transfer now. We'll just select skip and finish. And just like that, you have successfully set up your PS5 for the first time. But before finishing up, you'll need to change some settings on your Samsung TV to get the best performance. So grab your Samsung Smart Remote, open the settings panel, and from there, we will look for game mode. Press OK to toggle it on. And you'll notice this will also change the sound mode and picture mode to game. And as you can see here, you can also use your Samsung Smart Remote to control your PS5. So that's how you can completely set up your PS5 with your Samsung Smart TV. Let us know your feedback down below. If this helped, drop a like, consider subscribing, and game on.